Hi everyone, today we're going to have fun coloring Zee, the sleepiest and most relaxed Oddbot of them all. Grab your green crayons or markers, because we're going to make Zee look great in his favorite color. Let's get started. First, let's color Zee's face. We'll use a light peach color for his skin. Zee may be sleepy, but he's also very friendly, so let's give him a warm, welcoming look. Carefully color his face, making sure to leave spaces for his eyes and mouth, which we'll color later. Next up is Zee's body. Zee loves green, so we'll use a vibrant green to color his body. Start at the top near his neck and fill in his entire body with green. Zee's outfit is simple but colorful, so make sure to get an even layer of green all over. Great job! Now Zee looks fantastic and ready to relax. We used peach for his face, white and black for his eyes and mouth, and green for his body. You've done an amazing job bringing Zee to life with your coloring skills. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe for more odd